Hello my dear wonderful people, and welcome back to my new video. Here in this video we are going to discuss about the for loop. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here's our source file. Okay, I'm gonna remove it first. Okay, so the syntax of the for loop we have just discussed in our last video, and I think you must have remembered the syntax. Okay, so this is the syntax of for loop. Okay, so let us just now start the program. Okay, so in here write in the comment. Okay, let us start with the header file. Okay, now void main function, and now put here braces. So now I'm gonna declare here a int variable, and I'm giving here it name as I. Okay, so now here let us use the for loop. Okay, so for this you have to use for here and put the bracket. As I told you in the syntax, there are three parts of for loops here. Firstly, you have to initialize the variable. Okay, so I'm gonna initialize it to 0 here, and then you have to put the semicolon, and in here you have to give the condition. Okay, so I'm giving here 1. Okay, I less than equal to 10. Okay, now put your semicolon, and here I'm giving increment. Okay, I plus plus, and now here put the braces, and anything you want to execute you can write here. Okay, so I'm giving here a print statement. Okay, so I'm writing here count, and here actually here I'm giving percentage %d, and the value is from I. Okay, and now here put the semicolon. Okay, so this is the simplest program for the for loop. Okay, so let me now just run it. As you can see, our program is running. Okay, count 0 to up to count 10. Okay, let me just change the format of the output a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna use here \n. Okay, now let me just run this again, and here as you can see, count is starting from 0 and it is taking up to 10. Okay, from 0 to 10, that means our loop is running very well. Okay, and one thing you should notice here, that a for loop is a entry control loop. We can control the entry from where we want to enter, like as if I want to enter from the 5, then I can. Okay, now let me run it, and as you can see, our count is starting from the 5 and it is going to the 10. Okay, and now let me declare here another variable. Okay, and I'm gonna give it a name as x. Okay, and I'm gonna use the variable here, and I'm gonna provide the value of x from the user. Okay, so printf enter counts, and now use here scanf statement, %d for the int variable, and here $x. Okay, now let us run the program, and here we have to enter the counts. Here I'm gonna write 20. So our loop must start from the 5 and it will take up to the 20. Okay, here as you can see clearly, it is going from 5 to 20. Okay, so this is all for the for loop, and if you want me to make more videos on the for loop in the example where you can use the for loop, then you can tell me down below in the comment section. Okay, this is Shoaib signing off, and I will catch you in the next video.